Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your assets with Charles Schwab, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your browser and navigate to the Charles Schwab website. If you don't have an account, click on Open an Account. Fill out the required information to start the account creation process. Choose the type of account that best suits your needs, such as an individual account or a joint account. Provide your personal details, including your name, address, and social security number. Verify your identity by submitting the necessary identification documents. Once your account is created, log in to your Charles Schwab account. Go to the Accounts section on the dashboard. Select the Security option to review the security settings available. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of protection. Review your current security questions and update them as necessary. Consider setting up alerts for any account activity to monitor for suspicious transactions. Navigate to the Account Settings section to review your personal information. Ensure that your email address and phone number are up to date for security notifications. Explore investment options that align with your goals while considering risk management. Use Schwab's educational resources to enhance your financial knowledge and understanding of asset protection. Begin to diversify your investments to spread out risk across different asset classes. Regularly review your investment portfolio and adjust your strategies as needed. Keep track of any changes in your financial situation and adapt your security measures accordingly. Consider consulting with a financial advisor if you're uncertain about any steps. Remember, proactive management of your assets is essential for long-term security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.